My walls are always automatic, shooting back at me. Wanna know what's tragic? Ain't much that I could say, unless the fact of the order was not the matter, that I'm not clay. Crimson, I'm molded out into another demon, possessed by the darker side, and I got a reason. But then I saw it getting darker, how I couldn't even enlighten my life. So I know that this bitch never leaving. Understand what I really do, go against my grain, pop pills, living in vain too. It's got me going in and out of my zone daily, with the structure given into me until I'm not the one that's praying. I'm never playing about it, dog, I'm way too serious. They always think that I'm out of my mind and delirious, but the trip pulled up and now I got stunted out. Whenever I started to stunt, yeah, it got fronted out. Whenever I got a front, I always came down for a reason. Probably because I couldn't pay it off, and now it is my season. Understand, I pay my dues and my ties. Call collected now, my soul is invested to this ride. But it's more than a ride, cause I would die behind it. It's more than my drive, because I've already driven and crashed into it. I've been doing what I had to do, doing the most for her, and know that she knows and understand that I am the one who has to blast and blow like a martyr. So fuck it at last, I know he sees me walking on this water. I've been improving the way that I carry my weight, trying not to be so toxic, because the reason I'm so introvert today is because I throw it around without even meaning to. I'm cursed, they know that whenever I started to rebirth, now they don't even wanna look me in my eyes. It's probably because I don't even wanna look into my own. When I look in the mirror, it's not the same guy. It's something really hardly ever debated, because when they look at me, they know it ain't their created way of living. Because I know their living ain't really unforgiving like mine, so I'm really in that one-on-one collision with a perception that I never knew before. Now I am stuck in reality, but I will see it through. Understand, when I dove in too deep, I saw the real vision. Now you are through, and let's let it be, because I can't. They know it's not me. I've been drowning in way too deep. I've seen enough to get me killed, get me touched. I can't, because I